Getting ready to do lesson 3.1 part 2 today, Algebra 2 Math. All the worksheets and the quizzes and tests and stuff for this material is available here. If you email me, I'll get that out to you for class worksheets and homework sheets. Today we're going to do lesson 3.1 part 2 today. Here is your objective. We got a 24-point class worksheet today. We have 0 points of note taking today. So page 1 in your class worksheet, we're going to do example. Start out with example 3 here. Approximate roots with a calculator. So 9 to the 1/5 power. We're going to show you your entry here. 9 to the 1/5 power is 9, then uppercase, and then in parentheses 1 divided by 5. Close parentheses, then enter. Then here is your number here for the 5th root of 9. That'd be the way that you would find the 5th root using a calculator. And then again here the 3/8 root of 12. So how would we find that? We take 12 to the 3/8 power here, and we go 12 uppercase, open parentheses, 3 divided by 8, close parentheses, enter, and then we get this number here. This will be 12 to the 3/8 power, which is just another way of saying 12 cubed, and then the 8th root of 12 cubed would be this number here. And then approximating roots of counter, part C here, we have radical 7, the 4th root of 7 cubed. So this would be the same thing here as the 4th root of 7 cubed would be 7 to the 3/4 power here, because here's our root in the denominator, and then our power would be in the numerator. So it would be 7 uppercase, open parentheses, 3 divided by 4, close parentheses, enter, and this will be your number here for 7 to the 3/4 power. Okay, into our first guided practice. We got 4 to the 2/5 power. In our guided practice, students, this is yours down here, 64 to the negative 2/3 power. Our guided practice here, evaluate the expression. There it is, 4 to the 2/5, and we get 1.74. So it'll be 4 uppercase, and then we in parentheses 2/5, 2 divided by 5, close parentheses, hit enter, and you should get the number here. Here is how you would enter it into your calculator. 4 squared, we get 16. This is another way of doing it. And then taking this number here, the 5th root of 16 will be 1.741110, whatever. And that'd be another way of doing it. Rather than doing it all in one step, you could do it 4 squared, then taking your answer and finding the 5th. Okay, example 4, solve equations with nth roots. 4x to the 5th equals 128. How do we solve that? Divide each side by 4, so we come up with x to the 5th equals 32. And then take the 5th root of each side, so we get rid of this here. And then we take the 5th root of 32, and that equals 2. That'd be how to solve an equation here with a power. Solve equations with nth roots. Number B here, x minus 3, parentheses, x minus 3 to the 4th power equals 21. How will we solve that? We take the 4th root of each side. And then now we have x minus 3. We bring our 3 over to our right side here. Then we have plus or minus 4th root of 21. And that is our solution now, is 4th root 21 plus 3. And then the negative 4th root of 21 plus 3. And then what would that be? And then after using your calculator, you'll find out that'd be 5.14 or 0.86. Let's do a guided practice now. Solve the equation here. Students, this is yours here. Let's practice now. X cubed equals 64. What would that be? We would take the third root of both sides, so x equals the third root of 64, which is 4. And that's how it would be here. 64 to the 1 over 3 power would equal 4. That'd be how it would enter into your practice again, I guess. Well, I guess not. So anyway, that is 3.1 part 2. Part 3 is available here, as well as everything else for this course. Thank you very much.